Right then, so another big battle in cricket is expected tomorrow, that is Thursday, but in the boardroom for the presidency of the Jamaica Cricket Association, which is set for 3 p.m. at the Medallion Hall in Kingston. We're now joined by presidential candidate and challenger Mark Nita, who is also the president of the Melbourne Cricket Club. Mark, welcome to Primetime Sports.
Thank you for having me, Jeremy.
All right, let me ask you this. In the build-up to the elections, we've heard what you've said, what Billy Heaven said, and others. But is there a rift between the two of you heading into the elections on Thursday?
No, I don't think so. I think I have a lot of respect for Billy Heaven. He's certainly a man of outstanding character. And I've had the pleasure of working with him for 6 years as his second vice president. It's just that we have a fundamental difference of opinion as to where cricket should go and the direction that cricket should take. Right. And so, you know, based on that and where we are currently in cricket, I thought it was very important that I stepped out and challenged him.
Right. And having stepped out and announced your challenge, why is Billy Heaven not the man to lead the JCA and by extension Jamaican cricket into the future? Well,
you know, to be truthful, he has had almost 6 years to turn around the fortunes of Jamaica cricket. Unfortunately, over the last 5 years, our cricket has suffered a significant decline. If you look at our cricket from the age group level, that is under 15, under 17, under 19, right to our national program, we have performed poorly regionally. In addition to that, our high schools are no longer playing cricket. Probably about half of the high schools that used to play cricket are no longer playing. Our clubs and parishes are dying because of the lack of resources and attention. We play much less cricket now than we played a few years ago. And I, as president of Melbourne, understand what it is because I have come through the club system, started at Boys Town as a 12-year-old, eventually went to Melbourne as a 15-year-old, played for Jamaica at 18, and I understand the importance of club and parish. And so my mandate is try and bring back cricket, not only at the club and parish level, but certainly at the high school and right across Jamaica.
Sounds good, but how confident are you now that you can, at this juncture, how confident are you at this juncture that you can get most of the 103 votes expected?
Well, let me say this. As a challenger, you're always the underdog. You know, the incumbent has the resources, he has the reach, and so certainly Billy Heaven would think that as it stands today, he's in a very, very favorable position. However, I firmly believe that my message has resonated with the delegates. You know, I have been working hard at it. I've been reaching out to them and trying to share my vision for cricket for now in the future. I'm very confident that tomorrow we'll see a change of direction. You know, in the end, you leave it to the delegates to make the decision, and then God ultimately is the one who decides who wins.
All right, Mark, I must pull up stumps on this interview right now, but all the best tomorrow. We'll be there to follow as well. And by the way, we did reach out to Billy Heaven to be with us here on Primetime Sports via telephone, but he withdrew belatedly.